Jose, tell us, what is the most important title you want to achieve this year? Because you get everything, actually.
No. First of all, let me say that this is the third best, not the second best. She made a mistake. And
He's modest.
No, I'm not modest. I try always to be honest, and I don't deserve more than the third, because Guardiola won everything with Barcelona, so he deserved the gold. Sir Alex was champion with Man United and reached the Champions League final, so he deserves the second. I'm very happy to be the third, because I just won the Italian championship, and because I have gold and silver, now I have the complete collection, and I'm really happy. And I can't choose. My club is a club that dreams with the Champions League for about 50 years. So Champions League for everybody in the club.
يشارك في البطولات الأوروبية منذ 50 عاما
I
ولا يمكن أن أختار. فهذه البطولة أولئك الذين يفوزون عليهم وأمامهم تحديات كثيرة، فإننا نلعب تقريبا 11 شهرا في العام، وكانت المباراة الأخيرة التي أديناها كانت الأحد الماضي. إن بطولة أوروبا بطولة كبيرة. إن بايرن ميونخ سوف يكون أمامكم، وهو فريق قوي، ونتمنى لك التوفيق. نشكرك جزيلا.